Yes, it's in there. Let me show you.
Here it is, page 102. Amish cough syrup. And yes, it does have blackberry brandy. Here are the list of the ingredients with instructions and dosage. Here's one for a mullein and marshmallow cough syrup, and a cowboy cough syrup with whiskey. This is just a small sample of the 250 different remedies that are in this book. This is the Forgotten Home Apothecary, 250 powerful remedies right at your fingertips. This is a fantastic book that I think everyone should have a copy of. I'm going to leave an orange shopping cart down below so you can grab one for yourself.